Got that. Got that. Thank you. Sir, what are you here for?
I basically came here to know how to deal with kids.
Okay.
They are looking for their future.
Right.
So how we can be a helpful parent to them.
Right.
We want to help them out.
So tell me specifically, like what you're saying, I got what you're saying. Now, this is very broad. So let's split it down so that we have the agenda for the talk today. Okay? And I want to speak only on what is of relevance to you. So when you say you want to help them out, what are the areas in which you face something and you would want either an opening or a resolution?
Unfortunately, I had to one of the seminars students there
Right.
for the IIT preparation.
Right.
The students just want to appear for the IIT exams and all.
Right.
I had to attend the seminar.
Right.
And I was shocked to hear the fee, 1,50,000.
Right.
How many people, how many parents can afford it?
Correct.
We
Right.
think we are going to the right direction.
Right. I get your concern. I get your concern. 1,60,000 is not something which everyone could possibly afford.
And that is the tuition fee. That is
Correct.
not the fee that the child has been selected and
Right.
he is applying for the using
Right.
his IT and all.
Right.
No guarantee for that.
Right.
And the people, there are the people, they told me, we have a tie-up with certain college where you hardly go for 2 days in a year, you will get full attendance and all, and you will do the rate for
Right.
this type of arrangement
Right.
where we are going.
Correct. I got that.
2 days in a year you go, and the institution people are telling, we have a tie-up, you don't bother about your attendance and all, we have a tie-up, you just pay this much fee, rest of the thing will take care. What about the school, what they are doing?
Right.
What about the colleges, what they are doing? And
Right.
what the government is doing for that?
And what does it make you feel?
We are going in a able situation.
Right. And it is something which is making you angry, frustrated, all of that, isn't?
No, I am well aware about the situation. I am much mature to handle that type of. I am not angry,
But you are disappointed, disillusioned? Yeah, concerned.
The future of the society and the future of the younger generation.
Got
what
that.
they are going to face it.
Correct. Absolutely. It's a valid concern.
There has
Absolutely.
to be some control.
Right. Got that.
1,60,000, 2 lakh rupees fee
Correct.
for just preparation for IT entrance exam.
Right.
How many
Preparation.
can afford it?
Preparation. Absolutely. I get your concern.
Just look at the
I get your concern.
only this time back.
Right. Right.
There has to be some changes in the system itself.
Correct.
It has to come from the upper side.
Right. And there is a change which is required, and that change can be created from many different places. There is a public opinion which needs to be formed, and maybe something needs to be created. What are you here for?
Somewhat stress, I'm trying to counter that.
Okay.
I'm just given one. I'm done well.
Right.
A lot of competition is there.
Right.
Severe, tough competition.
Right.
So sometimes I feel I've done well, I will get it. But the next moment I feel, no, certain persons are better than me.
Right.
They have done it better like me, so they have better chances.
Right. So you're comparing yourself.
Yes.
That competitiveness is
So
there.
I know I've done it, but the competition is coming.
Correct. I got. Oh, hi. We have another student here. I didn't get your name. Devendra. Okay. Devendra, what are you here for?
At the exam time, there are so many chapters.
Huh. Yeah. And?
For our, so we had a subject of history series.
Right.
So there for 40 months, we had 16 chapters. That's why I used to need so much stress.
Okay. Okay, good. Very good. So you are in the right place. What do you mean when you say I had stress? And it is relevant for everyone else. Please look at your own situations and look at where do you get stressed out when you have to do something new or you have to do something which is a challenge. Okay? So we are talking about exam. Exam is a challenge, right? It occurs as a challenge to you. So look at what are the challenges in your life, what are those challenging situations, confrontation, or you want to do something new. There's something, the outcome of which is not in not going to be decided immediately maybe, and you have to go and expose yourself. Isn't that? In an exam you go on and expose yourself. Till then no one knows what you have done. It's the time of the exam or the interview that... So let's extend that situation. Please look at what is the stress. Look for a stressful, challenging situation and tell me, what do you mean by stress? So what does it mean for you, Devin? Yeah, so what do you mean when you say stress? What does it mean for you? What happens to you? Mental harassment, okay. And what else?
So we have pain, but we can't use of it.
Okay. So what do you call it? Some other word for it? Can you rephrase that? Does it mean confusion? Does it mean going blank? Does it mean feeling helpless? Does it mean feeling powerless? What does it mean? How do you feel? How do you feel? Tell me, what do you feel? What are the emotions that come to you? Stress, okay. Does everyone agree stress is an emotion? Yeah, but stress, is it an emotion or not? It's an emotional state. It's a reaction, but is it an emotional state?
It can.
Yeah?
Can be.
Okay. I would say it is not just an emotional state, but a combination of lot of emotions. So stress is a combination of lot of emotions. And we are trying to now decompose that and see when someone is saying stress, what does it mean? Sorry? Painful situation. So you have pain, basically. Okay? So you have pain. What do you mean by pain? Where do you have the pain? Where is the pain?
Pain is just not physically.
Okay. Okay. So we'll look at emotional. We're looking at emotions. Okay? And then we'll look at physical also. Okay. So you have pain. What else? What are the other emotions? When you are under stress? Fear? Fear? Sorry?
Bad sleep.
Okay. Yeah, so bad sleep will come under physical or emotions? Where do we put it? Physical? Okay. So let's say sleep disorder. Do you know of people who get more sleep during the examination?
Yes.
I used to be one of them. I tried that. Sleep disorder?
Indigestion.
People get indigestion? Yes. I used to have friends like that. Okay. Stomach upset? Anger. You feel anger. So,
Uneasiness.
anger, uneasiness.
Irritation.
Anxiety.
Right. Great. I was waiting for that. No one. Anxiety. Okay. Great. So when you say anger, who is the anger? Like who feels the anger? But towards whom?
Because the situation, whatever situation comes across, if what you are expecting,
Right.
if it doesn't happen,
Yeah.
it can give you the stress.
Right.
If things are not under control, it becomes negative.
Right. Right. Okay. Got that. Anything else you would want to add to that? Anger towards self as well. Yes. So anger towards others. Anger towards self. And in fact, there is another part of anger. In fact, each one of these situations, each one of these emotions can be towards the self, towards someone else, or towards something vague which you cannot identify. Now, in this situation, for instance, you cannot identify who exactly to pin down for this. Who is responsible for this? When you look at...
Basically, see, person himself is responsible for that.
Absolutely.
My family is responsible for causing this stress.
Right.
I must take this situation, I cannot do this.
Right. But when we are talking about a student, and there is examination stress,
Examination is
and that person is getting irritable, the student is getting irritable, that student is getting restless. Sometimes you cannot find
what I